Alright, hello everyone. Yeah, I noticed that in Nigeria as a whole, testing soil is a very tedious thing. One has to take sample into the lab, get an expert, take days to analyze different soil content. So I took upon myself to embark on a research on how I can build an application that you can actually take soil sample and test at the comfort of your home using AI technology and some kind of sensors. So when I was making the research, so I discovered that in order to achieve this my research work, I need a soil sensor. So and this soil sensor is what they call the soil tester sensor. So I ordered one from China, and finally it came around, and this is the sensor. This is $110 sensor, and this sensor is called um, soil tester sensor. So this soil tester sensor is based on different categories, like we have 3 pins, 4 pins, 5 pins, and 7 pins. But based on my research, I am looking at NPK, to get the value of NPK, which is nitrogen, um, potassium, and phosphorus. So that was why I wanted to use this device. So apparently this one is 5 in 1, and what this one can actually detect, it is this which I have instead on my phone, which is the nitrogen, the phosphorus, the potassium, and the pH, the conductivity, temperature, and humidity. These are the values this can detect. So I am probably going to use this sensor on soil sample connected to a mobile device, because it comes with a Type-C charger. You can even insert it into a phone, then you can get the soil nutrients directly into the mobile phone, and can copy out the information, and which the information is what I will use in training my software to be able to analyze soil content without visiting any specialized lab. Even from home, anybody can access it. So the next thing I will be doing now is to test the sensor in the real soil. Here I want to test the sensor. Here I'm having a sample of a soil uh, on the bowl, and here there's an app which I'm going to put on the download link on my bio to download, which will be collecting the value from the sensor. So you can see from the app we can get temperature, humidity, conductivity, pH, nitrogen, phosphorus, um, the what value, okay, humidity again, then fertility. Then now what I'm going to do now is I will have to insert the sensor into the soil, then probably insert this. So now it asks you to allow the OTG settings to go in, which I will allow to get values. So I got trusted, so I can really back it. So now they have gotten value from the sun now. Actually, this I can confirm that the sensor is working. Now they have gotten the value of the sand nutrient. Now temperature is 26.8, then humidity is 39.8, then conductivity is 179, then pH is 7.2, then the nitrogen is showing 0, then phosphorus 43, then humidity 95, then fertility is 66.0. So so I got inserted again. You can see the sensor is working. So now I just click on save data. Now I'm not sure. Say yes. So I can save data, new soil value, soil value. Then show. So the record has been completed, and this record can also be viewed. If I export it, probably if you have Excel sheet, but apparently I don't have this. This one is a trial version anyway. I don't know if it will open it, but let's see if it will work. Mm, okay, so it actually works. So save it. Now I can actually export this value for my research. That's saved. So now I can use this sensor to test other sample of soil to have different value. So in reality, the soil tester sensor is actually working. So I am now going forward to build an AI application that work with the system to convert this sensor to read this sensor value and recommend the kind of crop you can plant in a particular soil. That's what research is all about. So I want to build a system that you can use the sensor to test the soil nutrient, then an AI application will be able to recommend what kind of plant can grow on that kind of soil, whether it's going to be beans, rice, maize, or whatever it is, based on the value and the nutrients in the soil.